So the Pixel 6a was out for pre-order just a few days ago, but if you didn't do that yet and you need that little extra push to consider buying this phone, then I want to give you my three, count them three, basic, simple reasons. So this isn't a super long, get lost in the weeds video. This is a simple, this is why I think you should buy it kind of thing. And I'm just giving you three. Maybe I should give you 10, but I'm giving you three. So stay tuned. Let's jump into it and let's talk about it. So hey, what's up? My name is Roy. I do phone reviews, case reviews, tech reviews, all that fun stuff. So if you like any of those things, then you should totally consider to subscribe to my channel. And big thank you and shout out to the video sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber, for sponsoring this video. So like I said, the Pixel 6a is coming. So if you're interested in buying it, you will be able to go to a store and buy it on Friday if you have not pre-ordered it yet. Don't worry. The stores are going to have it. It's not like they're kicking down the door like it's an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy or something, but it is a mid-range phone. It's $449. It's definitely got some stiff competition. The Samsung A53 or the Nothing Phone 1 probably are the two main competitors, but really the Nothing Phone 1's not really a competitor because you can't buy it here in the United States, so screw them. A53 is definitely the stiff competition for it, but I really think this is a better phone. So let's talk about the three reasons. So number three is just simply the updates that you get with the Google Pixel phone. So getting updates all the time and getting those guaranteed security patch updates with a Pixel, it's nice. So literally you get them first, typically. It's rare that a phone gets them before a Pixel device. You're gonna be able to get all the way up to Android 15. 13's coming out, but yeah, 15. So Android 15, so you are kind of getting that future proofing with the updates. You're getting the security patches, but then also just the fun like pixel drops and things like that Pixels get. So it's just kind of one of those nice things to know that you're getting those security updates, unlike some other phones. Like for example, I have a OnePlus 10 Pro that is still running a May security patch from T-Mobile. So that's a Pro phone, but it's not getting the updates like just a Pixel A series phone is. So that's just something to consider, is you're kind of buying a future-proof phone for at least the next few years. Now, granted, it's an affordable phone, so you probably will buy a different one, maybe the 7A or the 8A when those come out. But the point is it's a good mid-range phone, and you're getting those security updates. So number two is just all the fun Google features that you get from a Pixel device. These are Pixel only features a lot of times, which is really cool. When they do their Pixel drops, with their feature drops, then you get some other cool features that other phones don't have either. But with a Pixel phone, you just get a really great experience with Android, but with these Google features, for example, like the magic eraser when you're taking a photo, or doing the voice texting, which by the way, guys, if you've never voice texted on a Google Pixel phone, you are missing out on some ridiculous black magic that they can do, because it's insane how fast and accurate the voice text is with this phone. Like, it's rare that it's off. I usually just proofread it real brief, but it's insanely fast and ridiculously accurate. But getting like the live translation and the Google Assistant and the hold for me and just all these random nice cool features that Pixels get, that is awesome, right? Like being able to screen a call, that's insane. Like, I love that feature on my Pixel 6. And guess what? It's an A series phone, but you get those too. So like I said, being able to get those Pixel features, those rich features from Google that you're getting only for a Pixel, that is fantastic news for anyone that's getting this phone. Like I said, it's getting the Tensor chip, so you're getting their flagship silicone from Google, but it's in a mid-range phone. So that is something I think is well worth the money for sure. And before I get to number one, like I said, I want to give a big thank you and shout out to this video sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. So they make some fantastic products. This is one that I have been using for probably about 3 or 4 months now. It's their carbon fiber, real genuine carbon fiber, I should say, card and cash wallet. So it is super slim, as you can see here, very small, very well made. This thing has no scratches on it yet, and I've been using it, like I said, probably 4 months or so. You can hold about 7 or 8 cards, which for me, I'll just show you real quick. I have a ton of cards in here. I never have any issues with them. You can just push it out right here and boom, you're good to go. And you can put money on the back here. I literally have like a couple of hundreds and some 20s folded up on the back here, and it does completely fine. I never have any issues with this wallet. And it's great for people who don't like to carry wallets in their back pocket, but you can just leave this in your front pocket. Like for me, wearing gym shorts or something like that, it's a huge, huge saver for me instead of having my real genuine wallet in my front pocket, which then is just a massive bulge. And yeah, it's a pain in the butt. So like I said, this right here is awesome. So if you are interested in buying this product from Simply Carbon Fiber, then just use my link. It's simplycarbonfiber.com/Roy and use my promo code ROY10 and you'll be able to get 10% off your whole entire purchase. They have a ton of cool stuff on their website, a lot of genuine carbon fiber products. So just, check them out, see if there's something that resonates with you, and let me know down in the comments if you do. So let's get back to number 1. So like I said, guys, with my number 1 reason coming up, it's a very simple one. It's the cameras. So if you've never known about a Pixel camera, they're awesome. They're fantastic. They're regarded as some of the best camera phones out there. Now, granted, with the Pixel 6a, they did revert back to their old 12 megapixel sensor instead of the 50 megapixel that the 6 and 6 Pro have. But it's completely fine because, yes, when you hear 50 and then it drops down to 12, you're thinking that's a massive downgrade, which in theory it is. But that same camera is the same camera that was in the Pixel 5a, the 5, the 4a, the 4, the 4XL, the 3a, the 3XL, the 3. It's a tried and true camera. Now, the great thing about this is it is a dual camera setup. So you do have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera as well. So you're getting the best of the best when it comes to ultra wide and wide. There is no telephoto lens, but if I had to choose between telephoto and ultra wide, talking to you, Pixel 4, I would totally pick the ultra wide every single time. But like I said, this is a tried and true camera. It is a flagship camera, guys, in a mid-range phone. So that is something to really consider if you're wanting that great computational photography, getting that Tensor chip to really work with this camera and giving you some better performance in low light, giving you some really great HDR and just vibrant, great looking photos, getting that great portrait out of it. Now, unfortunately, you're not getting a 4K on the front when it comes to recording capabilities. It maxes out at 1080, but Pixels have never really been known for just their fantastic video capability. It's more for the photography. But it definitely does get a little bit of some tweaking and upgrades with that Tensor chip, with the stabilization and other things with this camera. But like I said, you're getting all those great, once again, Pixel features with this camera, like the pan mode and the stabilization and the like kind of live action photos and cool little things that you can do with this camera. It's just a really great camera for a $449 phone. Like, it literally competes with some of the big boys up there. So there you have it, guys. There's my 3 reasons why I think you should buy the Pixel 6a. Like I said, definitely don't sleep on this phone. It's only $449. It's well worth the try for sure. And if you don't like it, just take it and send it back, But at the end of the day, I think you will definitely like it. It's a more compact version of the Pixel 6, so it's definitely worth a try. So if you like this video, I do hope you give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.